So next, yung pangalawang tanong, compute the volume using end area with prismoidal correction. So ano na nga ba yung formula natin using end area with prismoidal correction? So ito yon, our B, volume by end area with prismoidal correction. Okay? So ano na yung formula natin doon? Volume is equivalent to volume by end area with prismoidal correction. Okay? Ito na yun. Yung end area, ito yung prismoidal correction. Okay? So ilagay lang natin, ano na ba nga ba yung formula natin for end area? Diba ito yun? A1 plus A2 over 2 times L. Yung volume naman natin by prismoidal correction, L over 12, that is C1 minus C2 multiplied by D1 minus D2. Okay? So, isolve muna natin yung areas sa end area and prismoidal correction. Una, sa end area muna tayo. Volume by end area. Given naman na yung area 1 natin, guys, no? Area 1 is 150.25, area 2, 259.375. Dahil end area lang to, ang kailangan lang natin dito actually, guys, is yung area at both ends. So, 150.25 plus 259 yan, 0.375 over 2 multiplied by L, which is 20. Therefore, our volume by end area is equivalent to 4,096.25 cubic meter. Okay, let's solve naman yung ating volume using prismoidal correction. So L, paano na nga ba muna natin makukuha si C1 at saka si C2 at saka si D1 at saka si D2? Di ba ito yon? So this will be our cross section kanina. Ito yung cross section natin sa area 1, ito yung cross section natin sa station 2. So ano yung C1 dyan? Or ano yung D1 muna? Di ba yung D1, ito siya. It's just the total length from left side to the right side. So yung D1 natin will be equivalent to 31 plus 13.5. Okay? So that is equivalent to 44.5. Ano naman yung C1 natin? C1 ay ito lang, yung height lang at the middle. So that is 5. Next, D2 and C2. Ito naman yung D2 natin. That is 41 plus, ilan na to kanina? 17.25 to. So 41 plus 17.25, that is equivalent to 58.25. Next, C2 naman, simply 7. Okay? So meron na tayong C1, C2, D1, D2. We can now use this formula. So L is 20 over 12. C1, we have 5. C2, 7. D1, which is 44.5. D2, 58.25. So yung volume natin using prismoidal correction, that is equivalent to 45.8333 cubic meter. Sometimes magne-negative ito, guys, no? So, kung i-solve na natin ngayon yung volume by end area with prismoidal correction. So, yung volume sa end area natin, 096.25 minus 45. Kung magne-negative to, minus pa dapat yon. Pero kapag positive naman siya, simply copy. 45.8333. So therefore, our volume will now be equivalent to 4,050.4167 cubic meter. And this is now our answer. Okay, so kung mapapansin ninyo, same lang siya dito. So it is up to you kung ano yung gagamitin ninyo formula at magiging solution. So that will be our solution, or that will be our problem number 1.